In this video, we'll explore the top methods ClaudeCode uses to enhance test coverage, providing developers and testers with actionable strategies to maximize testing scope.
Did you know that nearly 70% of software bugs are found after the code is deployed? Test coverage is a critical component of software development, ensuring that your application is rigorously tested and bugs are caught early. Today, we'll introduce you to ClaudeCode, a powerful tool designed to enhance your test coverage. In this video, we'll explore how ClaudeCode improves both functional and non-functional test coverage, integrates seamlessly into your C/CD pipeline, and provides actionable insights to developers and testers alike. Stay tuned to discover how you can maximize your testing scope with ClaudeCode. Test coverage refers to the measure of the amount of testing performed by a set of tests. It helps in identifying which parts of the code are executed by the tests and which are not. There are various types of test coverage, including statement coverage, branch coverage, and condition coverage. High test coverage ensures that a significant portion of the code is tested, reducing the risk of bugs slipping through into production. However, achieving full coverage can be challenging due to time constraints, resource availability, and the complexity of the codebase. In a C/CD environment, test coverage plays a crucial role in maintaining software quality by automatically running tests on every change made to the code.
ClaudeCode stands out with its unique coverage algorithms that provide real-time analysis of your test coverage. These algorithms can detect untested code segments more effectively than traditional tools. They work by analyzing the code execution paths and identifying areas that have not been exercised by existing test cases. ClaudeCode integrates seamlessly with popular coding environments, allowing developers to receive immediate feedback on their test coverage status. This not only helps in maintaining high coverage levels but also speeds up the development process by highlighting issues early on. The algorithmic approach of ClaudeCode ensures that your tests are comprehensive and effective, reducing the likelihood of bugs in production. Functional coverage focuses on testing the specific functionality of an application, ensuring each function behaves as expected. Non-functional coverage, on the other hand, tests aspects like performance, usability, and reliability. ClaudeCode enhances both types of coverage through its comprehensive testing strategies. It allows testers to define specific functional test cases while also enabling the monitoring of non-functional metrics. For instance, a case study involving a fintech application showed that by using ClaudeCode, both functional and performance issues were identified early, leading to a 30% improvement in test reliability. By balancing functional and non-functional coverage, ClaudeCode ensures a robust testing framework that caters to all aspects of software quality. Let's look at some real-world examples where ClaudeCode made a significant impact. A major e-commerce company integrated ClaudeCode into their testing process and reported a 40% increase in test coverage within 3 months. The tool's ability to identify untested areas of code allowed their development team to focus efforts where it mattered most, resulting in fewer bugs and smoother releases. Another success story comes from a healthcare software provider, who used ClaudeCode to ensure compliance with strict regulatory standards. The tool's detailed reports and analytics help them maintain high levels of test coverage and adhere to industry regulations. These case studies highlight how ClaudeCode can be adapted to various industries, providing robust solutions across different sectors. Integrating ClaudeCode into your C/CD pipeline is a straightforward process that can yield significant benefits. By automating test coverage checks, you can ensure that every code change is tested thoroughly before it reaches production. This integration creates a continuous feedback loop, where developers receive immediate insights into the coverage levels of their code. It helps in reducing the time to market by catching issues early and allowing for quicker iterations. The automated process also ensures consistent software quality, as each deployment is backed by comprehensive test coverage. Whether you're using Jenkins, Travis C, or any other C/CD tool, ClaudeCode can be seamlessly integrated to enhance your testing framework. Achieving full test coverage is a daunting task, fraught with challenges. Developers often face obstacles such as limited time, budget constraints, and complex code bases that make it difficult to test every possible scenario. Balancing these constraints while maintaining high coverage levels requires strategic planning. Automation plays a crucial role in overcoming these challenges, enabling repetitive tasks to be handled efficiently and consistently. ClaudeCode provides tools and features that help automate the coverage process, ensuring comprehensive testing without overburdening resources. Looking ahead, advancements in AI and machine learning are expected to further address these challenges, offering smarter and more efficient testing solutions. The market is flooded with tools designed to enhance test coverage, each with its own set of features and benefits. Leading tools include ClaudeCode, Istanbul, and Cobertura, each offering unique advantages. ClaudeCode, however, distinguishes itself with real-time coverage analysis and seamless C/CD integration. In addition to its technological edge, ClaudeCode offers extensive resources for learning and support, including comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and an active community forum. Engaging with the community can provide valuable insights and tips for maximizing your use of ClaudeCode. By leveraging these tools and resources, you can ensure that your testing strategy is both effective and efficient.
The future of test coverage technology is promising, with several exciting developments on the horizon. Emerging trends such as AI and machine learning are set to revolutionize the way test coverage is approached, offering predictive analytics and intelligent test case generation. Cloud computing is also playing a significant role, enabling scalable and flexible testing environments. As these technologies evolve, developers must adapt by staying informed and integrating new tools and methodologies into their workflows. Predictive coverage analysis, self-healing tests, and smarter automation are just a few innovations that will shape the future of test coverage, ensuring more robust and reliable software.
As we've seen, ClaudeCode offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing test coverage, providing tools and strategies to ensure your software is thoroughly tested. By implementing these methods, you can significantly improve your testing scope and reduce the risk of bugs in production. We encourage you to try ClaudeCode in your projects and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into test coverage and other software development topics. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced testing techniques using ClaudeCode.